Excuse me.
I like this view better. Anyways, it's backed up. Oh, there she is. There's the burp. Ooh, oh, and there's that. Like, what happens if I took the overlay off?
God damn. Guys, alcohol makes me burpy. I'm sorry.
Try putting me on the other side of you. Okay, hold up, you guys. Kick. I do apologize. Oh my god, not again.
It's gonna be constant. I'm sorry. Really?
For sure. There's the burp.
I ate 2 Nutty Buddies today.
Wow. Your hair still looks amazing.
Guys, I'm a good chugger. You have lovely arms, don't mess with I was at a sleepover with my boys. One of my boys' sister was fine as hell, but she didn't fuck with me, so I busted on her sheets when she left for work in the morning. Bible is. Never mind. I just want to throw money at Roux because I find her cool, chatty, and smart, but I have a 6-month trip to get ready. At least I'm getting hydrated.